What if I told you that you can register for your face-to-face oathtaking in just a few minutes? What's up mga Kapantayo? I'm Architect Robert Marticio. Welcome to Marticio ArkitekTalks. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of registration for the face-to-face oathtaking to the PRC LERIS system. First, you need to sign in to your PRC LERIS account. Once you log in, click the Transaction tab and choose Oath. Under the Oath tab, fill out the required information including the oath type, profession, application number, or NOAA number. After completing the required details, select your preferred oath-taking venue. For example, if you wish to take your oath at the PICC, simply choose it or from the available options. Once everything is correct, click Submit Application and Confirm. Make sure to take a screenshot of your references number as a proof of your transaction. Next is print your oath form, sign it with your original signature, and bring it with you on the day of your oath-taking ceremony. Please note that face-to-face oath-taking may require a venue fee. For the required fees, you may refer to the official announcement of the production management group, since the PRC may provide the details of the production management and their websites.
Diretso lang po tayo sa upper lobby.
Pwede huwag muna tayo lumabas. Pwede ba sabay-sabay sa mga arkitekto?
Arkitekto na ako! Hi, congratulations! Congrats! Long ganda naman! Picture kita! Congratulations!
That's it mga Kapantayo. If you find this guide is useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Marticio ArkitekTalks for more architecture and licensure examination guides and educational videos. Thank you for watching and congratulations on your achievement.